Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Holy Stone HS900 drone, a model that's generating quite a buzz in the drone community. We'll explore its design, features, flight performance, and overall value for both beginners and enthusiasts alike. Let's start with the design. The HS900 features a lightweight and compact folding design, which is pretty standard for drones in this category. It's made of durable plastic that keeps weight down without compromising durability. The drone looks sleek and feels well built, making it portable and easy to carry around. Moving on to the controller, Holy Stone has upgraded to their new P2 controller for the hydrogen sulfide. It's intuitive, with all necessary controls easily accessible. The joysticks are responsive, and there's a handy function button that can be customized for different tasks like gimbal control and cruise control activation. The controller design is ergonomic and feels comfortable to use during flights. Now, let's talk about what the HS900 brings to the table in terms of features. It's packed with capabilities that rival more expensive drones. You get advanced features like GPS-enabled flight modes, subject tracking, and automated flight patterns such as point of interest and tap fly. These features enhance the flying experience and make capturing dynamic shots much easier. In terms of flight performance, the hydrogen sulfide impresses. It handles well in various conditions, offering smooth and stable flight even in moderate winds. Thanks to its 3-axis mechanical gimbal and electronic image stabilization, the video footage remains steady and shake-free, which is crucial for aerial videography. Moving to image quality, the HS900 is equipped with a Sony 48-megapixel CMOS sensor and a fixed-focus FB/Y 2.6 lens. It can shoot up to 4K video at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps, delivering sharp and detailed footage. The camera performs admirably for a drone in this price range, though it's important to note that RAW photo support is currently unavailable. The drone also offers useful extras like time-lapse capture and gesture controls for selfies. Time-lapse mode allows for creative video sequences, and gesture controls add a fun element to capturing moments without needing the controller. Battery life is decent, averaging around 22 minutes per charge in real-world conditions. It charges via USB-C, which is convenient for quick recharges, and there are options for additional battery kits to extend your flight time. To wrap it up, the Holy Stone HS900 is a standout in the sub-250 grams drone category. It offers a compelling mix of performance, features, and value, making it a strong contender against competitors like the DJI Mini 3 and Potensic Atom. Whether you're new to drones or looking to upgrade, the HS900 delivers a solid experience with excellent flight performance and impressive camera capabilities. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.